I'm going to show you how to make a star. You're going to knit these first 3 stitches together, then do a yarn over, and then knit them together again, and then take them off the needle. So you knit these 3 stitches together. It's a little tight, so definitely bring your needle all the way through, bring your stitch out pretty far, and then do a yarn over, and then knit these 3 stitches together again. Can be a little sticky and tricky, so use your fingers to help guide the stitches through. And then I like to spread them out on the needle as I'm pulling them off. Spread them out on the right hand needle as I'm pulling them off the left. And then you knit one in between, and then you do it again. If you go all the way in and bring your needle all the way through past the tapered tip, you'll give yourself some more space. And if you pull the stitch out and make the yarn over a little big, you'll have plenty of space then to come in and work these last 3 stitches. And that's it. Show one more for good luck. There's your stars. Happy knitting.